In the year 1994, the multinational food giant Kellogg's entered India with three products: cornflakes, wheat flakes, and basmati rice flakes. They said they will change the breakfast habits of Indians. And almost after 25 years, just see what they have launched. Kellogg's ready-to-eat Upma. What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. When the pandemic started, somewhere in February, March 2020, everything changed for us, including our food habits. There has been a huge surge in ready-to-eat foods, and most of the MNCs and big companies have capitalized on this. So most of the big companies and multinationals have jumped into the fray of making ready-to-eat upma. So we have Kellogg's, of course, who has entered into the Indian breakfast sector in a major way with Indian food. And then we have MTR, we have Haldiram, we have Maggi, and we have Aashirvaad. So we will review the taste of this ready-to-eat upma. We'll talk about the quantity and the price. So first let's talk about MTR. I have, like the cup of noodles, we have the instant rava, ready-to-eat upma in this cup. This is about 80 grams and it costs 60 rupees. They also have a pouch, and this pouch is about 60 grams. This was 80 grams and this is 60 grams. And this was 60 rupees, but this one is just 25 rupees. So Aashirvaad by ITC. ITC is a big brand. They also have the cup and of course the pouch. The pouch is 25 grams and the quantity is similar to that of MTR. And this is also, the cup one is 80 grams and it costs about 55 rupees. So Maggi also has come up with the Maggi Tadka Upma. I think it is called the Ghee Tadka Upma. So you will get the taste of clarified butter. That's what they claim. And in all these products there are no preservatives. And they last for about 6 months. The expiry is for about 6 months. So you can see this cup of upma, instant upma by Haldiram's. This is about 68 grams and it cost about 60 rupees. The prices are very similar. They also have a pouch, but this is a large pouch. So we will discuss about this towards the end of the video. So let's keep it aside. And our last product of course is the Kellogg's. They have a large pack like this, like the Maggi family pack. But there are 12 pouches inside this and there are 2 flavors. So let me open this and show it to you. This pack of 12 pouches cost about 240 rupees and I got it from Amazon.in. So each pouch will cost about 20 rupees, which is not very expensive. Here, these are the kind of packaging they have. This flavor is called the nutty rava. Just see the pouch. This is nutty rava. So on this packet it is mentioned variety pack 12 into 48 grams each. That is 8 packs of nutty rava and 4 packs of veggie masala burst. But unfortunately I've checked this. I have got only nutty rava. So there is no veg masala burst. So Kellogg's, I'm a little disappointed by this. So we have got all these packs and mostly I've got all of them from Amazon or Grofers or Big Basket. This is a great ready to eat food, particularly for students, people who are working and people who are on the move, or if you're holidaying. So first let's open the Aashirvaad one. This is 80 grams. We'll have to open the seal. Quite easy to open. So I'm transferring the contents of the packet into this cup. So this is how the instant upma looks like. Aashirvaad, MTR, Haldiram's, Maggi and Kellogg's. So it's on camera, so I won't forget. So we will pour water, we'll see the texture of the upma, we'll see how fast and how well it cooks in that period of 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll taste it. Here I want to tell you a brief love and hate story with Upma. When I was a young student, when we used to come back from the school, our school used to end around 4 or 4:30. So my mother used to make some tiffin for us, maybe some vada or a small dosa or some kind of snack. And sometimes she used to make upma. And I used to quite dislike upma because it was bland, it's not spicy, it's not fried. Generally, it was not exciting for me. And I used to eat it and never used to complain, but never loved it. I'm not saying that my mother makes bad upma. She makes damn good upma because I eat upma when she makes it now. But as a kid, a lot of kids don't like it. They want to go for a burger, they want to go for a pizza or things like that. But make it a habit to give them upma once in a while. When they grow up, I'm sure they will love this upma. Particularly if there is a ghee flavor, there are nuts in it, and there are some vegetables which they like. Let's open the Aashirvaad container. I'm just going to keep it. Let's give it a good mix. I think it has really soaked up the water and it is not too soggy. I like this consistency of upma. Quite nice. So you can see a curry leaf, but I cannot see any vegetables in this. So I'm going to open the MTR one. Can you see the orange color pieces? That is carrot, and I think there are some more vegetables right out there. So let's give it a nice mix. Here the consistency is nice. You can see it's kind of beautiful consistency. Now the Haldiram one. Wow. Check the consistency. It's quite creamy, nice. Little more sticky. It is not dry like the Aashirvaad or MTR one. This is the consistency. This is something like what we get in the restaurant, but we'll have to taste it and see whether it tastes similar. The Maggi Ghee Tadka Upma. Just stir it nicely, mix it well. I can see the vegetables, I can smell, of course, ghee. This is the Maggi Ghee Tadka Upma. And this is Kellogg's. The quantity is slightly less, 48 grams. I don't think it is enough for one person. Even as a snack, there are only 2 scoops in this container, 2 or 3 spoonfuls of upma. It is a very small bite. 48 grams for 20 rupees each. The Kellogg one is not dry, little sticky, that is okay. It smells nice. Let me taste it a little bit. I can't taste much of vegetables here, though I can. Yeah, there are carrots inside. But somehow I'm getting a kind of a raw taste of something which is uncooked, something which is not really pleasant for my palate. Let me taste it once more. And I think it is a bit salty, little disappointed. I'm tasting small quantities repeatedly just to make sure that I'm giving you a correct opinion. You can taste it for yourself, because When you buy Kellogg's, you're going to spend 240 rupees. You can't buy individual pouches for 20. That is Kellogg's Upma. I think somewhere in the pack they say like it gives the taste to Upma which your mom makes. Definitely my mother makes a different kind of Upma. So let's go on to Maggi. Hey, now it's nice. It's almost 6 minutes and just see the texture. It's quite nice. So let's taste the Maggi Ghee Tadka Upma. Very different from Kellogg's. Now I'm a little confused here because Kellogg's I thought was little high on salt. There was little raw taste of dal or something like that. But when I taste the Maggi Upma, it is exactly diametrically opposite taste. It is slightly bland. It is very well cooked. The texture is nice. Let me taste it once more. The tadka flavor comes across nicely, the ghee tadka. But I wish there was that taste of curry leaves. That could have made this upma really good. I can't taste curry leaves in this. Or the taste of ginger. When you actually make fresh upma, you get that slight taste of that onion, little bit of ginger, little bit of green chili, the taste of curry leaves, and the tadka, of course, the dal and rye or sarson or whatever goes inside. Your mom knows the best, not Kellogg's. Pretty decent upma. I'm sure kids will love it. Let's taste the MTR 3-minute breakfast. MTR is a big name from South, from Bangalore. I can see the nice tadka and carrots, the dal, though I can't see anything else here. See the texture? Texture is quite right. A small bite of this. Taste wise, yes, this is the best so far. They've got the flavors right, the consistency right. Very good. This Haldiram Upma, it's little soft, like the ones you get in restaurants. When it comes to the visual appeal, I think the Haldiram Upma is really good. You can see the green matar. I think there are other vegetables, and you can see the piece of cashew nut along with the tadka. The packaging I told you was excellent. Yeah, the carrot is there. Let's take a small bite. I can bite through that cashew nut, dal, the vegetables. It has got that taste of real upma. One more bite. Curry leaves. It is really creamy. Otherwise, it is quite similar to the MTR one. Here, the Aashirvaad one, after 6-7 minutes, you can see the texture. It looks very different from other upmas. This has got the color of toasted rava or suji, slight brown color. So there are vegetables inside. I think I can see curry leaves. A small bite. Very different from all these upmas. Two flavors are quite prominent. One, I think it is slightly spicy, and the second thing is that it has got a slightly toasty flavor. So we have tasted all the 5 upmas. Aashirvaad, there is Haldiram, MTR, Maggi and Kellogg's. 5 instant upmas you can buy online or from a grocery shop next to your house. Normally I don't like to rate or give a number to the food I'm tasting, but here I think I'm going to do that. The reason for that is that it will help you to choose the instant upma if you're planning to buy one or two, maybe all of them. And you may not agree with me, you may disagree with me, in which case you can write to me in the comments below. In the beginning of this video I said Kellogg's came to India in 1994 and they wanted to change the eating habit or the breakfast habit of Indians. They've launched Upma and I think they found a fair amount of success. I found that there was a taste of something uncooked or raw. I think it was a raw dal. I don't know what it is. In this Upma, I would give a rating of 6 out of 10 for Kellogg's. This is only my personal opinion. So the Maggi one, kind of neutral flavor. The kids will love it, but I would give maybe 7 or 7.2 out of 10 for the Maggi Upma. Now let me come to Aashirvaad. Color is slightly brown, not very appealing. I would give it again maybe around 7 to 7.5. But if you ask me to compare Aashirvaad and Maggi, probably I'll go with Maggi. That leaves us with MTR and Haldiram. It's very difficult to rate or compare both the tastes because Haldiram is good with packaging. The price is good, 60 rupees. This is also 60 rupees. But if I rate Haldiram, I will give it 8.25 to 8.5. That leaves us with MTR. When it comes to taste, yes, this is the Upma I find the best. But it is very close. I will rate it about 8.75 or 8.8. A tad better than the Haldiram one. MTR instant Upma's taste is quite similar to the authentic one you make with a long process in a kadai or a pan. So if you want the authentic taste, yes, you can go for MTR, and if MTR is not available, you can go for Haldiram. For kids, you can go for Maggi. Aashirvaad and Kellogg's, I leave it to you. If you want to be adventurous and try different flavors of Upma, please go ahead and taste it. But one Upma which is worth the price, which you could try, is this one. Haldiram's pouch. This has got 180 grams of Upma and this is enough for 3 people. And it cost only 35 rupees. I think this is really worth the money. For a small family, this is a good breakfast or a good evening snack. If you have liked this video with various Upmas, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Chomping Champion. We are on social media and we have a website www.chompingchampion.com. Stay fit and stay healthy. Bye till the next video.